One of the exciting new features from HP is the textured effect, which is a very embossed style effect. It happens inline in the machine. It's very easy to do. In order to do it, you just need to create a spot color, call it Textured Effects. Anything that you apply that spot color to then gets the effect to it. The image you have in front of you sort of looks like a mermaid, so in this case we're using sort of a wave pattern. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a swatch. Go here, new swatch, make sure to name it exactly as Textured Effects. Capital T, capital E, and you're going to want to make sure that it's a spot color. That's very important. Now I've got a pattern here. I'm going to go ahead and take the pattern. I'm going to fill it with the Textured Effects fill. Anything I apply this spot color to will get the new sort of Textured Effects applied to it. From there, go to Object, Pattern, make a pattern. In this case, I'm going to need it, I'm going to call it Effects Pattern, but it doesn't really matter what you name it. I'll go ahead and I'll create a shape, and then I'll fill that shape with that Effects Pattern. The next thing what I want to do is go to Object, Expand. I'm going to expand that pattern to become Vector Artwork. Normally what would happen is that if you went ahead and just applied it and didn't expand it, it wouldn't accept the overprint fill effect, which would allow it to sort of do the emboss. So I'll show you in this step. Go to Expand, Expand Fill, double click, and then you're going to actually have to manually click on all the objects within the pattern. Once you have all the objects selected that you want to apply the fill to, you're going to go up to View, Window, Attributes, and then select Overprint Fill here in the Attributes. Now if you do this, anything that you apply that effect to will take on the textured effects. And then you're done. If you send this to print, everything you see that has this blue in it, in this particular case, will get the texture effects pattern added to it. And here's just another tool that you have as a designer to add some pizzazz and pop to your elements in your designs.